July 10th, 2022. Today I set out on a motorcycle ride from Goodyear, Arizona to Albuquerque, New Mexico, covering a distance of approximately 450 miles. Along the way, I crossed Petrified Forest National Park, which I really wanted to have a look. But due to my hurry to reach my destination, to reach home, I was unable to make a stop there. The scorching heat made it difficult to maintain focus on the road. I made sure to take breaks to hydrate and rest, as staying hydrated is especially important when riding a motorcycle. The journey took me 10 hours to complete. I reached Albuquerque quite late and immediately checked into an hotel and took the much needed rest for the night. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.